good morning from beautiful, warm, sunny California, everybody. Yeah, it's already warming up quite a bit here. Well, nice and comfy, cozy over here in the shade. I really miss the lake. I really miss the lake. But you know what? There are other lakes. Maybe we'll go find another lake today. I think what we'll do first, though, is I'll unload Roxy here and go ride her around town here a little bit. Hey, I'm not going to wear a jacket and jeans and all that. I'm going to wear a helmet and everything, but it's triple digits here in California, guys. So, I mean, go ahead and send all your opinions in the comments below like always, and I'll, of course, read through those. Thank you, but it's my life, and I'm going to be comfortable and safe and careful at the same time. I want to bring the drone today on this ride, so let me get all situated here, get Jax comfortable, and then we'll hit the road. And the official cologne of California, sunscreen. Even in September, that's right. I do not want to get burned up. That feels no good. Park Roxy there in the shade because she's a pampered bike. Apparently here we are at Whiskeytown Lake, and it's a reservoir. It's a lot like Rife Lake back home. Down here there's a dam that can be opened and closed, but there has been an advisory that if you catch any fish in Whiskeytown Lake, apparently you're not supposed to eat them. Even if you cook them thoroughly, there's high levels of mercury in the lake down there, and so we are advised against eating any fish we catch in the lake down there, which is kind of funny. And you can kind of also see how it got burnt through here. There was a lot of fires here last summer, I guess. This is just a year ago. This whole place got charred pretty good, but they saved the important stuff. I'll go in and check out the visitor center. It's open, see if they got a magnet, and I can help fund this place, keep it going. Well, they have the standard magnets. Then they got this bus-looking one. Let's get a better look at this magnet. It's really cool. So it's thick, kind of wood material, and inside the doors of the Volkswagen, you can see somebody in a canoe going down the river with the mountain and sunshines behind, and it says Whiskeytown on top of the van. That is one of the coolest, quirky magnets I've ever got. And you know I love my Smokey the Bear stuff. I've got my hat back in the RV, but they had their shirts on clearance for 10 bucks. It's old Smokey saying, only you can prevent forest fires. And that's a lesson here where forest fires were bad last summer, like I said. There is something, here, let me step up. There's something very strange, and I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna ride a little farther back up around the lake. We're gonna check that out. Well, I came back out to the highway out here. Whiskeytown Lake is huge, and maturity, Eric, maturity, but you see that strange thing out there in the water? It's well, it's a spillover, you know, if the lake gets too high. Hey, California, you named it. It has an unfortunate name. It's called the Glory Hole. Maturity, guys. If you look it up, if you look that word up, it actually says that that's what it is. There's slang terms for it as well. But we have a glory hole. You know what? We're out of the park system. Let's see if we can get a better view. Never mind, I cannot take off with my drone. Even though we're outside the park, I'm getting a no-fly restriction. The drone won't even take off. There are too many bubbles nearby this particular lake. There may be somewhere around the lake that you can take off to and then fly to get an aerial shot of it, but no, that's one of the things with DJI. It's really foolproof. You can't make a mistake with it, really. It won't even let you. So I'll flash a Google Earth picture up on the screen so you can maybe see what the glory hole looks like from the sky. And that's about as good as we're going to get. So let's keep exploring the nearby town of Whiskeytown. Hey, so I passed this on the way up to the lake, and I think I'm going to make a stop in here and try to get some information. This is the Shasta Ghost Town Ruins. Kind of like an old town that's kind of been preserved. I didn't know. Yeah, there's a Shasta Historic State Park. I believe this to be the park. think I'm going out of order. I'm gonna go inside. We're gonna start inside first. So we're here in the old courthouse slash museum, and there's a jail downstairs. It's $3 to get in. I think I'm the only one here. Just gonna keep my voice down and we'll go look and see if there's anything interesting I gotta share with you. So that is an 1892 organ. And that's us. 1892, guys. Yes, sirree, a gramophone with a hand crank operation. Another oldie goodie, an 1869 piano. Ballot and Davis out of Boston. 1869, that was like 30 some years ago. I have to add those into every video. I just have to, guys. I'm trolling you in a way, yeah. Oh yeah, a courtroom here of the 1800s. Oh, it feels like an 1800s courtroom. Look at the table and chairs and that book. And this is how they heated the courtroom. Wood fire burning stove inside the courtroom. Sheriff and tax collection room. Oh, we got some bang bang. We got some bang bang. You can't say that word on YouTube. You'll get demonetized if you... I don't understand that one. And they got the jail downstairs. Whoa, we're in like a dungeon downstairs. The old jail. It's really dimly lit in here too. The floor we're standing on is wood planks, and there's your shackles bolted right to the floor here, next to your cot. Here's some other relics from the jail, the ball and chain there. Can you imagine having that around your ankle? I think they made it dark like this on purpose. Ooh. Playing some cards? Is that solitaire, maybe? I don't know. And on the table here, we got some jailhouse flatware. It's metal. A metal plate and a metal cup. I'm only slightly creeped out being down here. Let's get out of here now. Also outside there is an old barn we can go look at here as well. Ooh, it's warm in here. They don't have the air conditioning on in this barn. Ooh, a 1926 Stagecoach. In pretty good condition too. Fun little stopover. You got your history lesson from Nomadic Fanatic today. Let me ride on back to the RV, check in on Jax. He's got the air conditioning going crazy over there for him. So I'll pack up, hit the road. Well, I'm gonna try something. I don't know if this is going to work, but I think the opportunity that the chance that this might work is worth it here in California. Step outside and into the heat. I'm just south of Redding, California on I-5. I forgot the name of this town. Could be Anderson or Henderson, but that big flag, it's a camping world. And I went in there, and oftentimes I like to just ask them when I'm in the store, is it okay to overnight park in your lot? And I got some interesting information that I thought I would share with you with this particular location. Near the RV sales section over there, they have 2 RV slots with 50 amp, and she told me that after they close at 8 p.m., I can park there and plug in for free for 50 amp overnight. And then I have to be gone before 8 a.m. the following morning. But they have 2 sites right over there. They're being occupied right now in their service base. And she told me I could park over here at this dead end. It's just a dead end right next to I-5. So I could park here and wait till after 8 and move over. I don't know if somebody's gonna beat me over there, or maybe somebody will head over there at 6:30 instead when it first opens up. But I think it's worth a shot. I'm running the air conditioner right now off solar, but that brings me to another point. Many people have been noticing that this door has been open on these hot days when I'm running my air conditioner off of solar and batteries. That's because it gets hot in here when that air conditioner's going. Yeah, this inverter right here is blowing hot air out of these 2 ports on the top. I mean, blowing hot air through here. I did say it was my intention later to put in a fan here and then also bring heat from the RV in the winter so that we can keep these batteries in their comfort zone. But I do have the Bluetooth thermometer in the battery so I can maintain it. Batteries have never gone over 95 degrees in there. I haven't damaged the batteries yet, but that inverter is screaming out some heat, and she wants that door open. She does. So I'll cut back in tonight, see if I can snag one of those two full hookup, not full hookup, but 50 amp sites. I lucked out, guys. I lucked out big time. So Camping World closed about a half an hour ago, and there's one other RV here. They were here all day, so maybe they might have some repair work done. I know I've been there with a dealer before and had to come back for repair work. But anyway, I can't remember the last time I was ever hooked up to 50 amp. It's been a while. None of the 1,000 Trails did. They were all 30. So, well, I know I rag on Camping World a lot, but you know, as a Good Sam's member, there are some perks, and nearly every single Camping World in the country will allow you to use their dump station and their drinking water if they have it available with your Good Sam's card, plus 5 or 7 cents off per gallon at Flying J and Pilot, depending on what state you're in. So, I mean, there's some perks. There's some perks, and I'll show you. See, behind my RV and the other one, both of us have our cords going over here, plugged into 2 different 50 amp circuits. And look, Camping World even provides the adapters if you don't have 50 amp and you have 30 amp, and they just chained it there in case, or even 110 volt there too. I can't thank them enough. It's, like I said, I've currently got both air conditioners, dual air conditioners going right now, set to 62 degrees. I am going to freeze myself out tonight. I'm gonna have goosebumps. I need it. I need my body to just reset. So, you know, thank you, Camping World, for this. This is not the norm, though, just so you know. This was a special little treat. But, you know, worst case scenario, it was a gamble. But worst case, I'd have been parked right there near I-5 without any hookups. So, I don't know. It was still worth changing my plans. I had planned to go a lot farther south today and see more stuff, and this video probably is already a normal video length, so yeah, actually I know it is. Wow, weird. Okay, guys, I'll be back in 2 days with another video from California as we continue to head on south and enjoy the wonderful weather down here. Be well, guys. Jackson, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Why do I feel like I didn't show Jax today? I didn't. I'm gonna close it out anyway. No, we'll go inside. Because obviously I've sold Jax. Obviously he's ran away because you haven't seen him. Hey, buddy. I know. I gotta close the door though, and let the air conditioning out. I know. I just didn't want to let the air conditioning out. You don't want to go out there anyway. It's nasty. It's nasty, Jax. Meow. Is that how you talk to your dad? Are you... You are too cute to toot. Too cute to toot. Yeah, right. He'll toot all over you. Later, guys. See you in 2 days.